Hey guys, welcome back to Chelsea So Random. And today we're eating chicken Alfredo topped with crispy bacon and a bread baguette, garlic bread baguette. As you can see, I'm ready to eat. So you already know how I get down. Okay? Today we have Coke on the menu for drinks. Yes. Yes. I love that. Oh, I love that sound. All right, let's get to eating. Oh, can I hear that? Oh, I didn't do a thumbnail, you guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm back. I had to do a thumbnail real quick. I'm like, I ain't forget the thumbnail. Bacon and broccoli. One of the best known combinations. My cat is just sitting next to me eyeing my food. So good. As you can see, this thick Alfredo pasta. Really, really good. Excuse me. Nice soft garlic bread. Look, mama-in-law can cook, okay? Wow. You want some? Oh. How dare I? My bad. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a good twirl. I'm gonna eat a little bit more. Then I'm gonna talk. So good. Excuse me. Okay, now I can talk. I'm basically halfway done. Almost total. Yes. I love when it burn your throat. Okay. I feel as though every time I get back on camera on my channel, I'm saying, hey, I know I've been gone for a long time, yada, yada, yada. So let me just give you the history on everything so you guys can understand why. Because, you know, life happens when you're busy making plans, right? So, if you don't know, we sold our home in September. Well, it officially was sold. Officially, all the details. Technically, it's been like under contract for a minute, but it's officially been sold in September. And we were looking for places to move to. We finally found a place in November. No, I lied. October we found a place. And it was perfect. It had everything we were looking for. And we signed the lease, and we officially are moving into that place in January. Okay, that's just the home front, right? So now I'm packing things up. Well, things are already packed. So we threw a lot of things out, packing things up, getting ready for the move, which is technically next month, right? We have like 6 weeks until we move. So let me continue eating. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. It's like having dinner with you guys and catching up with friends like you haven't seen in a long time. It feels good. That bacon, peas, carrots, chicken. That's good. Wow. Okay. I'm going to move it up front for you guys to see. Yes, I'm using a paper plate today because let me just finish the story, okay? Let me just finish the story. One more bite. So good. I mean, you have to do me like this. Oh, we're not out of soda, people. I have the mini can, so both cans are 90 calories, so 180 total, which is fine. Ooh. Okay, continue my story. So, we're moving, found a place, we're getting that transitioned. And you guys, I got well, it's the same job, but it's new. I've been, you can say, promoted in a way. And that is a whole different ball game now that, you know, I have a different title. So basically I've been living life. I'm living life. I'm living life. And I haven't had time to stop. I'm going to talk to you guys until now. The last haul I did was a Marshalls and Sephora haul. Sorry, y'all. It's so good. It was a Sephora haul and Marshalls haul. And those things I was buying for the new place. And no, I have not cracked open them Sephora products yet. That's good. Oh, excuse me. I have not cracked them open yet. Because I really want to crack it open in a new place, so. So, sold a home, found a new home to live in. Look forward to moving vlogs that are coming. And I just understand situation, like, it's hard to film where I'm at because of course, it's not my home. So, privacy is allowed. So, I have to, create different kind of sceneries. You feel me? But it's going to be a lot of product reviews. Well, yeah, hauls. Because when you throw away everything that you had to restart, you buy some stuff. You buy some stuff. So, excited about that. But I'm trying to sneak down here quietly. Oh, yeah. Speaking of my husband, our anniversary was on the 24th of November. We've been together for 11 years. Married for 4. And we went somewhere special for our anniversary. Well, technically, it was our honeymoon. I got some footage and some footage and some pictures to share with you guys on that. So I was on vacation too. So it's like, I'm living life. I've been having, God has blessed me this year. Bless me, bless my family, bless my husband. So, and I can't wait to share with you guys all the blessings and stuff that we were able to, that was able to transpire. If you hear thumping, that's my baby upstairs. Baby Ro. Are y'all bread people? I love me some bread. Hey, be careful. Cause bread, my husband is y'all gonna really meet him one day, okay? Cause he a character, y'all. First of all, I like these little Coke cans don't be having enough Coke in them. What's going on? I'm already out of Coke. How did that happen? So, look forward to more quantity and videos as we get close to the moving date, which is the 15th of January. I'll be doing mukbangs here and there, hauls. Decorate with me. They not even decorate with me, or just watch me decorate. It's a difference. Yeah. I'm vlogging my life. Equipment. So I'm upgrading some of my I call it TCA equipment, which is basically my channel stuff. And I'll be getting a new camera because I was like, I cannot keep using my phone to film. I can, but my battery goes so fast when I do it. It leaves little for me to use my phone for. after they have to wait for the charging, y'all. So, I would get some equipment. This setup you see behind me, it's a temporary setup. Though this is my color though, right? This is my color, but it's a beautiful color I chose. It's like a lavender purple. I'm gonna get some more backdrops. And yeah, more to come, y'all. I've still begun subscribers. Thank you guys who have been still watching my channel, watching my old videos. I really appreciate y'all so much. This bread good, y'all. How to focus while eating bread. Thank y'all for watching my old videos. Thank y'all for watching this video. It's empty. Done. I cleared my plate. Minus a noodle. You ain't gonna hold it against me. Minus a noodle. As you know, I love to clean my plate. I don't like to leave food on the plate. So, thank you guys for sticking with me and watching my channel. Basically participating with me in this channel. I can't wait to show you guys what's coming up next. I think you're gonna love it. So, I'm done eating. And that's the end of this video. So, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.